Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, please, I would like you to hit the subscribe button on your screen, and also do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified once I have new videos here. So going straight into today's video, I'll be taking you guys through a DIY on a lip lemon scrub. This particular scrub is my favorite scrub. Like, this is what I do all the time. It is super effective and it is inexpensive. Yeah, you don't have to spend a whole lot of money getting product outside, and funny enough, you're not even sure of what ingredient they have in all of those products you're getting. So this is with just few ingredients and it's all natural and it's so effective. If you're consistent with this treatment, within a week you should be able to get a result. Just stay tuned to the end of this video. I know you'll find this video helpful, so let's go straight into the video. So guys, going straight into the video, these are the ingredients you'll be needing for this. You need a clean bowl and a spoon. You need your sugar. You need a coconut oil. This is coconut oil. You need your lemon. This is lemon. This is lemon. I also need honey. This is honey. So we are going straight into all of this. So now I'm adding a teaspoon of my sugar into my bowl. Adding half teaspoon of my coconut oil, half teaspoon, because I'm making small quantity, so half teaspoon, then I'll mix. So I'm just stirring all of this together. So now I'm adding half teaspoon of my honey, half teaspoon. So I'll stir all of this together. So this is my already squeezed lemon juice. So I'm adding a teaspoon. So now I'm stirring all of this together. So guys, this is what I have in here. This is what I have. So I'll be storing this in a container. So while storing this, you make sure you don't allow air into it, so this could actually last you for long. So I'm storing this in a container. So what I will do is just take little of this. I'll use it to scrub my lips. Then after scrubbing, I'll leave it for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'll wash it off. So after washing, I'll just apply a lip gloss. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.